Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on ANC mode and awareness mode on your headphones HUAWEI FreeBuds XI. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use an application. So in the line noise control you can click on noise cancelling and you turn on ANC mode. Now if you click on awareness, you turn on awareness mode right here, and you click on off, you will have no mods. Also you can use adjusters on your headphones, so just press and hold, and right now I turn on ANC mode. Yeah, next one I will turn on awareness mode, and next one I will off all mods. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!